stay solid. Hello, David Private Kids. Thank you so much. Kabsat, Eric Kids, thank you so much for staying. So, ayan, naka 1 hour na tayo, guys. Tapusin ko lang, guys, ang panood ko kay Kuya Samad kay David Private Kids. At tayo po, guys, ay mag-end na. At ako'y sasalang lang muna aking party. Ayan, nasarang na rin ako, Kuya Sa. Ayan, still harap ako, Kuya Sa, dito sa yung building. Ayan, datay daw, Kuya Sam. Happy! Thank you so much. Ayan guys, malapit na tayo guys panunura ko lang muna si David Private Kids. Like for host. Ayan. So, nandito ako sa iyo, my dear friends. So, I'll connect na aking si Solid Ladies Group. So, I will watch one video dito tayo sa Work Hard and Study Looking for the Ladies. So, yan. Isang watching na ako dito, David Private Kids. Ayan. Habang nag-watch guys ako ay mag-shoutout na po ako sa inyong lahat guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsusuporta sa aking mga ka-team PPG, Team Melodiaban at sa lahat po ng mga bisitang dumalaw at pumasok sa aking live streaming. Thank you so much and Happy New Year again sa inyong lahat guys. In advance pala Happy New Year. Ayan, Sisi Samok, thank you so much. Sis Marleto FW, maraming salamat. Living Her Vlog, thank you so much. Traveling Family Vlog, thank you so much. And Happy Banyes, maraming salamat sis. Eric Kids Story, thank you so much sa pagtambay. MP Admin, maraming salamat po. And Justino7 Mix Vlog, salamat. Mami Jean Mix Vlog, Mami Jean Channel What TV, thank you so much Mami Jean. And Kuya Zang, ayan. Thank you so much guys sa walang sawa ninyong pagsusuporta. Kailangan natin po mag-end para tayo po makasupport sa mga naka-live. God bless everyone. Keep safe everyone. And happy New Year in advance to all guys. Bye! See you